Hi, it's Esther at the Truck and Scribe. I am working on Creeps on June collaboration that Tracy Fox is doing with a lot of other YouTubers. I am not actually on the list. I'm just going along with it. And I come up with a lot of scrap paper, so I made a little miniature book that I'm going to show you how to make it today. And then the next video we're going to decorate it up, put some pockets in it. And this is just from the matchbook cover. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you stay and see what we got. And you hear James in the back talking. But thank you. Hi, and welcome back to the Truck and Scribe. Today I am working on Tracy Fox, the Creep on June that she's got going on, and she's doing a collaboration with a lot of other YouTube people. And I'm just new and I'm getting started, so I thought I would follow along and see what I can do. I don't know if I can make it all the whole month, but we're gonna see. Today I'm doing this right after another one because I do have a reunion next weekend, probably when I'm talking to you, when you see it, or even afterwards. But while I was cutting out these matchboxes, I have some paper around the edge that I thought I would make a little book out of, and I'm basing it on this. It's going to be my size or my length, so I am going to add a few more some more paper from another journal or from some other scraps that I got, just to give it some variety and shape. So I don't want them too long. And this is supposed to be a very quick little this could be put in a journal in a little tuck spot, or you could give them away as trick-or-treat gifts to the kids, especially the older ones, or the parents as they come up to your door for trick-or-treat. It's so hot right now, it's hard to believe that it will be wintertime soon. So I'm just going to pop these in together, different sizes. You can put in doilies. You can use your scrapbook papers, which I have plenty over there. I'm going to go grab so we can make this a little bit bigger. What I was looking at too was you could use one of these as a cover for your signature. So these are the scraps I was working with yesterday. That one would be a good one. Use that one to put a little pocket in there. That orange always goes good. What I was looking for was the bigger papers. Let's see. these aren't much bigger. Well, these are them. Yeah. And I'm going to leave that white along the top. Let's see. About right there. So I'm thinking for this one, you could do one signature, but because of the size of that of my base paper, I think I want to do another one. So I'm going to actually cut this out real quick because I want it on the inside. Give my paper or my little journal a little bit more stability because this is just copy paper. And you see the green lines, those are from my printer, not from Tracy's printables. But I decided I'm going to use it anyway because Halloween is spooky and creepy and all that good stuff. So let's see, I'm gonna be able to do this. So, I'm gonna clean up my glue in just a minute. I like this Teflon mat because I can clean up my mess as I go. I don't know where my paper went. So, see very quickly. I already have my fold right there. So what I'm going to do is just go around and trim this up a little bit because it's crooked. And these are the outside part of the Matchbox is what I'm using right now. Just to make a mini journal to match. So, since I'm gonna see where my fold's gonna be. Right there. Right there, maybe. I need to get over here so you can see and not me see. Right. So that will look good right there. Make a little two signature. A little ladybug that I got for Mother's Day one year. I actually stuck them in there. I can't believe I found them. So I'm getting off track, get sidetracked and not following my own thoughts, but that's the way my brain works. It just does its own thing. I think I'm going the wrong way with this. So I'm not going to do 3 pamphlet. I'm going to do a 2 holes. Just basically to get this in there. So here's my book. Okay. So what I'm going to do with this signature is just take, I'm going to put one of the big ones in the middle. That one needs, I didn't want to throw in a piece of paper. Will that fit? Just fold it this way. So that one could go in the middle. And there is a signature put together. You can decorate. And I could put this on the top. It's a little bit small. Another thought I had was, so here is, this came in the kit. I want it to fit the front, so be like the first open page signature. And your pages don't have to match. It gives it its uniqueness. I'll give a little color to the front. So there's one signature. It'll fit right there. I think I'm going to use this one for that second one. And just do the same thing since it's... So what I may do is make the little booklet, and then on the next video decorate the insides of it with some of the ephemera and stuff. That way let's see, I'm just going to put this like right there so our backs won't be quite as long, but that's okay. This is just a little scrap paper. So I'm working on gathering scraps for a real junk journal. I have a challenge in one of my swaps to use nothing but scraps and trash that you would find. So I've already found some bags. I plan on taking this Chick-fil-A bag that I have, and I'm going to coffee dye this and use it for the pages. But this I thought would be really pretty for pockets. Put it, emboss it. So I'm going to see how that works. I'll let you know. Oh, I'm getting off track again. So, do I have more? I do. Put you out there. I think I want to try a piece of this. I'm going to do it short too. Halloween is about celestial, sometimes for different people. Do I want to go ahead and cut that off and make it all one size? Or not? Okay. So now I've got my two little signatures. Well, I'm going to ink it back up again. What I'm going to do, and I may change that red and use a different color, is make sure that they're all kind of centered where I can get a... I kind of want them to go, yeah, right here. So I have a hole coming through, and I'm not measuring. But see, then right here I do need to measure so that they'll be even. Let's see. I thought I had more pages going down just a little. So I'm just trying to put them in the middle. You can have them top, bottom. It doesn't really matter. My preference is that they all kind of line up. What I'm going to do is take this big one, since I already have the holes right there, and just use it for a template. And same thing here. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna, let's see, one right there. I don't know where my pokey thing, my styrofoam went, so let's see. One right there. Do I want to use the red? Why not? Huh? You go there and you go on here. So what I'm going to do is just go through here. If I can get all my holes. Hey, that worked pretty good. And I might be able to put another signature in here later. Looks like there might be room. I was thinking because it was so tiny that I wouldn't really have, but the way it's set up and the edges makes it good just for a little book. So basically all I'm doing is putting it through 2 holes. I'm gonna go ahead and, since I'm threaded. So I got one little one out here. And I'm just gonna tie a good strong knot right here. So it wasn't very strong at all. Kind of a little loose there. Oh well. So there's one little signature in. That one is in the back. I wanted this like this, didn't I? Make sure you're right side up. Be like me and put them in wrong side. I think I may later on add some more another signature to this. And if you're having problems like me getting the needle through, just grab your pliers. My hands are weak. I used to have very strong hands, and now it's, the older I get, the weaker they get. I can remember when my mom started having to ask us to open her things, and see, I get to talking and I can't, to open her jars and stuff, and we thought it was funny because she couldn't open them no more. But you know what? I don't think it was that funny now. So this is not pulling as tight as I would like it to, probably because it is only a 2-hole signature. But it does look cool on the outside. And I do think I'm going to put another one right about here. So, yep, I'm going to stick another one on there. I don't know if I'll probably just come in at the end and show it to you. That way you don't have to see me watch me inking it all up. That is so cool. Yep, one more signature back there.